this red line will be above, so meaning the market will be. Hello, welcome to this tutorial, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can register an account on Quotex, because Quotex is just a binary broker, just like the Deriv and Pocket Option. So you can create an account if you need to put your eggs in different baskets. So here you just click the link in the description and you land here on the sign up form. So that is a verified link that we just click, and here you'll be. So here just enter your email address. I just copy paste it. Paste here. So this is the email address. Just choose this password and then confirm that I am 18 years old and I am not from the US. So I'll proceed to register and I should be on the dashboard. So the next thing I need to do is proceed to verify the email address. So I just close all this and then tap on the account. Here I just tap on resend. Proceed to my email address to see the confirmation link that I have been sent. So here I just open it and then I'll be able to confirm my email address. So I land on that profile. Here I'll enter the name. So I just enter some random names here and proceed to enter the last name here. Then choose the date of birth and then some address. So some address here, and I'll save all this. After doing that, click on upload documents, and then there's something you need to avoid here. Don't choose United States of America. When you choose this one and proceed, you will not be able to verify your account. So choose all other countries except the one below and proceed. And here you just need to select the document that will be uploading the details. So here you just need to upload an image, a front side and then the back side. After that, click on upload and then they will be verifying your account. So I just proceed. When you want to trade, you just need to select here, and here you will have this market. So the market is here. You just need to select it. You can see here, these are the markets, and still you can open another market here. You just tap on this and then select the market here that you need, and then select the market that you need. So here you can see this is the change of that market. So you can also sort them according to the change, and then the highest, the one that has the highest change according to the loss, and the one that has the highest change according to the profit or the increase in price. And these are just markets that work even on the weekend, because this is a binary broker. And then here on this side we have the profit, the return. So you can also sort it depending on the minute. So you can see this has the highest return. So if you like the return, you can trade on it. If you like the change, you can trade using that change. So this is a market that is going up. I can select it, and you can see how it has just gone up. So that is how you can add markets here, or you can just close. So here I can change between these markets. So I just close this because I see it is not working. I remain with the ones that are working, and then I'll add another one. So here I'll add here so that I have different markets here. So as you can see, I can change between the markets, and the market that you have selected here is the one that when you press here, you will be trading on that market. As you can see here, that is the market that when I press a trade is the one that I'll be betting on that market. So when I need to change the time frame for this chart, I can just proceed to change it here. So I can change to 2 minutes, and you can see it has just changed. When I need to change the chart, I can choose bars or areas. So here I can also choose the areas. So I can choose also Heikiash, or I can choose candles. So I'll stick to candles. This is the chart, and if I need indicators, just tap here and you'll have the alligators here if you like alligators. So these are just indicators that when they cross, you enter a trade. Let's say, for example, I choose 1 minute, and then you can see that this is coming to cross, meaning that this red line will be above, so meaning the market will be going down. So I can press down trades. And then we also have, I just choose another indicator. We have super trend that has sell and buy signal. When you see this red, this is a sell. So at this time, it is time for selling. And then when you see this is time for buying. So I can also use that one, but I just proceed to delete them. So I can delete all of them, or I can just come here and then delete one by one. You can see that way I can delete all of them. Then drawing tools, we have drawing tools here. When you need a line, you just choose them, and then this is the line. Move it, choose the color. If you need red, if you need green, if you need yellow, that way you can also choose it and move it around. You can just click here to deposit your money. You can see that there are a lot of options here. So it will depend with your region. There are options that are not available in certain countries. So this all depends with your region. So you can deposit or withdraw your money here. And I have a strategy that works in this Quotex website. So I have linked it. It will appear on the screen. Click on it and then learn how you can make profit on this Quotex website. Thanks for watching. If you have a question, leave it in the comment section.